So we shot this video on finding a leak in an irrigation system. Customer called and said that they had an issue with low pressure on one head and then they were seeing water come up in the grass. Take a look at the video and see how we got it done. So the first thing we did was figure out which zone was running those sprinklers. When we figured out what zone, we have it at the valve over there and we see the low pressure at the last head. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to walk along and mark all the heads just so while we're working on the job we can see what's going on. Unscrew each head and we're going to screw in these stand pipes. What they're going to do is just block all those others. We're going to go to the furthest head from that valve and we're going to hook up our 1-inch induction plug. We're going to hook it up to our pressure rig, hook up our equipment for listening, get everything set up. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to pump that pipe with air and water. So it's closed at the valve. We're creating a very distinct boil at the point of the leak. We listened in the grassy area, so now we're going to listen over the hardscapes. Those lines have to run under that driveway. So we mark our location. Now the water was showing in the grass. Water seeks its own level, but yet it was about 5 feet away underneath the actual driveway. So as you saw in the video, we were able to precisely locate the leak underneath the concrete on the driveway. If we would have started digging where we saw that water on the side of the driveway where it met the grass, we would have been digging forever. So that tells you, use the right equipment to put you right over the leaks. For more information, go to our website, www.LeakTronics.com.